words or two phrases that really struck me was when everybody said the word, I was, or I had. So it really feels good. It's a blessing that we're all talking in the past tense. And hopefully it remains that way. And hopefully we'll be able to find more cure, more treatment for our cancer patients.
As Jeremiah 29 states, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans for a hope and a future." The moment I have accepted it, everything became lighter and easy to bear.
This could be the moment we've been waiting for, the chance to feel alive.
I would like to welcome you all to this second reunion of the blood and marrow transplant patients with the theme Keeping Hope Alive Year 2.
What a feeling, 'cause I feel like dancing high. Got a feeling.
Don't give up, because literally this can make you stronger. Rise like a phoenix, everybody!
This is where it all begins.
And thank your cancer and the pains in your life, because it may break you, it'll turn you into ash, but hey, at least you'll emerge back to be a great phoenix. Thanks to God, thanks to the people you love, and also, I love the balloons.
Burning like a light show, free yourself and let go, time to see it all.
Sabi nga ni Mahatma Gandhi, strength does not come from physical capacity, it comes from an indomitable will. No? So, let's focus on the things that we can control. And sabi nga kanina, laban lang po. Enjoy life, never quit.
So, grabe talaga kung gaano kagaling si Lord. Sana yung buhay ko ay naging isang magandang inspiration sa inyo na never lose hope. Always keep on fighting. Never give up. Cancer lang yan. Sakit lang yan. Mas matindi si God. Kaya huwag tayong magpapatalo.
It all begins.
Today, the landscape for BMT in the Philippines has changed very much so due to the contributions from Dr. Lopez, Dr. Racho, and all the institutions that have supported the advocacy. Today, patients in the Philippines need not to travel abroad to seek BMT. In fact, patients from abroad are flying here to get the transplant. Now, we can also boast a high cure rate and an ever-increasing rate of survivors because of BMT.